I've got a different video for you today. After years of creating Canva tutorials and being part of their Canva Verified Expert program, I've decided to step away. And it wasn't an easy decision, but let me tell you all about why I'm doing this. It's not just about Canva, it's about creative freedom. It's the direction my content is heading and making sure that I can help you in the best way possible, but also staying true to me as a graphic designer. So if you're someone who creates your own graphics, builds your brand, or just loves good design, then stick around because I've got lots to share, including what's next for this channel. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you'll probably know me from Design in Your Pocket, where I've shared loads of Canva tips, tricks and tutorials, and especially animation tutorials. But what a lot of you don't know is that I'm also a brand designer over at Branding by Jules, where I work one-to-one with small businesses and I create really beautiful, impactful brand identities. I've been in the design industry for 30 years, since the late 1990s, and I've seen so much how this industry has changed from the days of clunky software that cost a fortune to now where platforms like Canva and Adobe Express have made design more accessible than ever, and I really, really love that. But there's something I've realised, and I've been missing out on sharing a whole part of my expertise with you. Ultimately, I really want this channel to feel like you really do have a designer in your pocket. So if you've got any questions about designing your own graphics, building your brand, or anything brand strategy related, drop them in the comments because I really want to make videos that actually help you. And so what's not changing? I spent so much of my time creating tutorials on how to use Canva, but never really showing you my actual design process, how I take a business from an idea to fully developed high impact brand. And so that's what I want to do more of. And why has this changed? Because Canva introduced an exclusivity clause, meaning that if I stayed in the program, I wouldn't be able to collaborate with other brands that I use all the time, especially Adobe and Adobe Express, Firefly, Premiere Cut, even CapCut. And here's the kicker. I've never been paid to be a Canva expert. There's no salary, there's no retainer. And I spent years creating really valuable content for their community, completely unpaid. And now that they want me to commit to only using their platform and sharing about their platform, it just didn't sit right with me. The whole reason I started my own business was to have creative freedom, to work with the brands that I love, collaborate with inspiring people, and not feel boxed in. And honestly, I found that freedom with Adobe. They actually respect and support creatives, and in just the last few months, I've met more talented designers, illustrators, creators than I have in years. And that's the kind of community I want to be a part of. It means a lot of hopefully really exciting things for you. Sharing more before and after design tutorials where I'll show you the small tweaks that you can make that make your graphics just go from amateur to looking fantastic. I'll do really deep dives into my branding process, show you behind the scenes, so show you all of the rough workings that I do with the Illustrator file and show you what goes into creating a really strong brand identity. I'll be showing you lots of design techniques from across multiple platforms, so it won't be Canva anymore, but it'll be Adobe Express, Firefly, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, CapCut, because a tool is just a tool. It doesn't matter what tool you use, what matters is how you use it. I won't be making any new Canva animation tutorials, but if you still need them, you can access everything I've got inside Animation Academy and all the tutorials so far that are up there in my channel already, and there is lots you can learn. I'm still supporting my Design Like a Pro members, so if you're in the club, I'm still here helping you level up your skills. And yes, if you do use Canva, I will still be helping you inside my Pro Club. I just won't be posting any new Canva tutorials to help you get the best design advice. At the end of the day, my goal has always been to help you design with confidence and build a brand you're proud of. And that's not changing. If anything, I'm doubling down to make sure you get the best design advice across multiple platforms with no restrictions. So if you're excited to see what's coming next, let me know in the comments. What design topics do you want me to cover in 2025? Before and afters, branding breakdowns, behind the process, behind the scenes. Tell me what would help you the most. I'll make sure it happens. And if you're new here, this kind of content sounds just like your thing, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next.